In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these limits of a function using this Casio Fx-991 CW scientific calculator. So guys, we have two questions to practice with in this video, of which after experimenting with these two questions I have here, you guys will be in a better position to be able to solve basically any problem you encounter under limit of a function using this particular calculator. Okay, so let's get started. Now, the very first thing we need to do will be to reset the calculator. Very important to put it in default mode. So to reset this Casio Fx-991 CW scientific calculator, so all you need is to press this setting button. Once you press it, you navigate down to reset. Alright, once you get there, press execute this button below. Now once you get here, go for initialize all. So you initialize all. When you get there, press execute for yes, and it's done. We have reset the calculator. So next thing we're going to do will be to store a value on this calculator we're going to use to solve this limit, okay, of which I recommend. For instance, let's bring a question where it says find the limit of the function where x is tending to 0. So we have exponential to the power 3x minus 1 over 2x. Now this value, the variable is tending to, x is tending to 0, we're going to add a constant to this 0 the x is tending to, so of which I highly recommend 0.001 to be on a safer side, because I practiced with such constants for a long time now and it always gives me the right output. So let's do this, guys, follow me. So we're going to add 0.001 now to 0 and store it as x on this calculator. Just come here, press this variable button once. So once it comes out, we want to store the value as x. So you can see various alphabets here. Let's go to x alphabet. This is what we want. So we want to store the value of x as 0 plus 0.001. That's what we want. Let's press execute. So it will show you that x has been stored as 1 times 10 to the power negative 3, alright, which is equivalent to when you add 0 plus 0.001, so you still get 0.001, right? So we have stored the value of x as this on this calculator. So let's go out of this place, just press this AC button. So x has been stored as 1 times 10 to the power negative 3. So we can now use it now to simplify this limit of a function we have. So it's in fraction, you make use of this fraction button. So we have exponential to the power 3x. To bring out the exponential, you press shift and this button 8. So to the power, to make use of the power function, press this button once. Okay, we have 3x. Now to bring out the x stored on this calculator, all you need to do is to press shift and this 0 button. That's it. So you come down, we have minus 1 over, so you come down 2x, bring out x, press shift and this 0 button. So that's it. Let's press execute now to see the output of this computation. Press execute. So we have 1.50. So right now we're going to simplify the options. Anyone that gives us 1.50 will be our answer. It's as simple as this, guys. So let's check it now. Let's remove this. Definitely it won't be 1 over 6. 1 over 6 will not give us 1.50. So let's verify. So to convert this to decimal, all you need to do is to press this format button below. So once you press it, you see options, convert to decimal, you navigate down, decimal, press execute. So this is the equivalent in decimal. Remember, we got 1.50. So this is not the answer. Let's check option B. We have 2 divide 3. So to put it in decimal, press format, navigate down, press execute. No. So next option is option C, that's 2/2. So it has to be 2/2. 2/2 basically give 1.5. But let's verify. We have 3 divide 2. So press format, navigate down to decimal. So exactly 1.5. So the right option this question is option C, which is 2/2. Alright, so that's it for this question. Now guys, pay attention for the next question I want to solve because I'm going to say something different. So ensure you watch this video to the very end, particularly this question 2 that has trig identity, sine and tan. So I'm going to say something special about this kind of question. If you miss it, you have missed a lot. So let's go ahead and solve question 2. Before we solve question 2, if you are new to this channel, ensure you are subscribed to this channel for more of these videos. I really appreciate this, guys. So now let's solve this question 2 that involves trig identity. The value of x is still tending to 0, so there's no need to restate the calculator again. The only way where you are needed to restate the calculator is when x happens to be tending to a different number from the one you have used already. But in this case, x is still tending to 0. There's no need to reset the calculator and storing x as 0 plus 0.001 again. Alright, so we are still working with the same store value since number 2, x is tending to 0. Now, the difference between question 2 and question 1 is that this question 2 involves trig identities. So for trig identity, don't solve it under degree. This one we solved question 1, the calculator was under degree because it didn't involve trig identity. But this one now involves trig identity. So if you solve it in degree, you're going to have the wrong answer. So it has to be in radian. Okay. But let me still show you guys now so you see the difference. Let's solve this question 2 now in degree. Let's see the answer and compare it to the one in radian. So the value is still stored. We are not wasting the calculator. Let's go ahead and impute the values. So in fraction, make use of this fraction button. We have sine 2x. So sine 2x. To bring out express, shift and this x button, close the brackets. We have minus tan. Sorry. Let's write something. Close the bracket first. Yeah, minus tan 2x, shift and this button, close the bracket, over. So we have x, shift and this button to the power 3. Okay, so guys, let's press execute and see the outputs of these values we have input on this calculator. Alright, so let's press execute. You see, this is a value in degree, but this is not meant to be. If you check the options, none of the options here is matching to the output we're having on this calculator. So that means the answer has to be in radian because of the trig identity. What we're going to do now would be to switch from degree to radian to get the right answer. To do this is very simple. All you need to do is to press this setting button. It's equal to calculator settings. Alright, then you navigate down to angle units, press execute. Now you see it's already in degree by default, so let's go to radian, navigate down. It's now in radian, press execute. Okay, so we are good to go. Let's press AC button to go back. So it's now in radian. If you check that D capital letter display has changed to R, capital letter R. So let's press execute again. I see this value will change to a value in radian. So it has changed. You have minus 4.00. So which is equivalent to minus 4. So the right option on this question is minus 4 or negative 4. That's option B. Alright, if you want to go back to degree, just press setting. When you come here, press execute. Then navigate down to angle unit, execute. So if you in degree, press execute. So it's now in degree. When you go back and press execute again, it will get back to this first value we got. Alright, so the answer for this question is option B, which is -4. So whenever you are dealing with limits of a function involving trig identities, always ensure that it's in radian. Alright, in fact, I will recommend that you guys should, because you might not remember this often, just whether the limit you are solving is in trig identity or not in trig identity. As long as the calculator is in radian, you always get the right output. So my recommendation to be at the safer side here is to ensure that it's always in radian, so that you will be sure that you're getting the right output, because you might not know when you encounter a trig identity problem and will not remember to put in radian, you'll be thinking that the calculator is not getting it right. So ensure from onset that the calculator is radian before you start solving. Alright, so by so doing, you will be sure that you'll be getting the right answer, whether you meet trig identity question or not. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video here, guys. If you are new to this channel once more, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below, and I will ensure to give you a response. Alright, so don't forget to reset the calculator once you are done. Very, very important. So to reset, as usual, just press this setting button, navigate down to reset, press execute, go for initialize, or press execute again, and it's done. So that's it. Now click on the end screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.